Well, welcome back to the Undervalued Investor YouTube channel, where today we're uncovering GameSquare Holdings, a small cap stock. We believe have some value here, trading on the TSX V under GAME, as the stock has been rocketing up about 30% just in the last couple of weeks for around a $30 million market cap. If this is a conversation you'd appreciate and you like gaming, consider hitting that like button and letting us know what you think in that comment section below. The first thing I like to look at is the assets and liabilities. Before we uncover what the business is doing, as we can see here, they've done about $35 million on the 3-month ending 2023. Very fascinating growth here, up from 21 million this time in 2022. Even on a year-over-year quarterly basis, 16 million versus 10 million was a pretty healthy gross profit at about 4 million. The company is still operating at a loss here, but it'll be intriguing to see how this company adjusts as they're optimizing their business here in 2024 and have done a lot of acquisitions to drive a lot of this growth. So I'm very intrigued to see where this company goes, sitting on about $74 million in underlying assets against about 39 million in total liabilities. They do have a fairly healthy balance sheet, and they have been adding to this cash position, as we will see in some recent sales of some of their assets. But taking a look, if you've never heard of this company, I believe they are one of the premier leaders right now in some aspects of gaming and streaming. As we can take a look here, they have marketing services, which are award-winning strategy and marketing, basically activations with 245 million plus monthly uniques. They got gaming and esports with competitive esports teams. We're going to take a look at 175 million plus aggregate followers, creative services with merchandising and product sales, premium content development, and Web3 expertise and capabilities with data and technology, with influencers, relationships and management, measurement and attribution through content analytics and programming, basically advertising and stuff like that. But what's most intriguing is they have 350 brands, 1,500 influencers with a 230 billion global gaming market size that they are trying to strategically work their way into here. And I'm very fascinated as they have 500 million, which is one of the largest audiences in gaming. But taking a look, one of the things that sticks out the most is their management team. A lot of these guys have extreme experience in the gaming sector, including Ninja here, which was, one of the leaders in streaming, and I think is probably going to help them in their trajectory for understanding and making proper decisions in the gaming space with their influencers. Kind of gives them, a direct one-to-one with influencers, having a brand leader like that. But let's take a look, because first and foremost, GameSquare and Stream Hatchet reveal the top gaming and live streaming trends report for 2024. As during 2023, esports viewership increased by 4% year over year, a record 2.76 billion hours watched, with over 1/3 of esports content watched through creators' co-streaming channels. And creator-driven events are experiencing rapid growth and powerful audience engagement. And UEFN and creative world building is rapidly growing trend that connect brands with viewers and creators. This is an industry that is becoming quite fascinating, to say the least, and something that I think people are underappreciating right now. Role-playing and action adventure game viewership basically each increased 14% in 2023. Creator-driven events are on the rise, and the top 2023 events had higher average viewership than the top esports events. Live streaming allows for unique and easier ways to measure success in marketing campaigns and direct link audience. The top live stream game was League of Legends with 1.6 billion watch hours. Samuel Rivera, if I'm saying that correct, Rivers, GG was the most watched female streamer of 2023 with 23,000 average viewers. IBAI was the top creator in 2023 with 77,000 average viewers, which is just absolutely astonishing, to say the least. Now, the company did sell off some of its core assets here. I wouldn't define it as core, but announcing that it has completed the sale of frankly non-core radio business assets to SoCast Inc. As a result of the 3.4 million US asset sale, GameSquare has added non-dilutive capital to its balance sheet. GameSquare also announced today that it is further strengthened its balance sheet by refinancing the company's convertible debt. After completing the 4 acquisitions in under 3 years, we believe there are opportunities to streamline our operations, enhance cost structure, and add non-dilutive capital to support our business by unlocking the value of certain non-core assets, such as radio assets of Frankly. Basically, in addition to selling just radio assets of Frankly at the approximately 1.8 times trailing 12-month sales, compared to GameSquare's current market cap of approximately 0.4 times trailing 12-month sales, supports our strategies to unlock and drive value for our shareholders. I think there is some intriguing aspects in the realm of small caps today. And GameSquare, if you're interested in gaming and live streaming, is one to pay attention to for sure. But I'll pass the question off to you. We'd love to know what you think in that comment section below, and consider subscribing for future updates.